Okay, today we're going to talk about possessive pronouns. But first, let's remind ourselves, what is a pronoun? A pronoun takes the place of a noun. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that shows ownership or possession, hence possessive pronoun. There are 7 possessive pronouns. They are my and our, his and her, it and their and your. How to find a possessive pronoun. To find a possessive pronoun, ask whose before the noun. For example, my Lord is my shepherd. Whose Lord is my shepherd? My. So my, in both cases actually, would be your possessive pronoun. How to label a possessive pronoun. To label a possessive pronoun, write PPA for possessive pronoun adjective. Possessive pronouns work like adjectives. They're describing what kind, which one, or how many. So really it's which one. It's the one belonging to someone. So we mark it with PPA. So in our last example, my Lord is my shepherd, we'd label my as a possessive pronoun adjective, and so it would be PPA. It's tempting to say just a PPA all the time, but really we should be saying possessive pronoun adjective to help us remember what that means. All right, let's practice identifying possessive pronouns. Pause here, copy the following sentence, and label it. All right, now let's check our work. His dad ran in the marathon. Whose dad ran it? Whose dad ran in the marathon? His. Notice how I said whose after dad? So we would label this PPA, and for some reason, it's not letting me use my tools. So his would be your PPA, which I told you we call a possessive pronoun adjective. Dad would be your subject noun. Ran would be your verb. In the marathon would be your prepositional phrase. In is your preposition. In what? Marathon. Object of the preposition. And the is your article adjective. You would have parentheses here in front of in and after marathon. It is a declarative sentence and a pattern 1. All right, now it's your turn. Pause and copy the sentence, then label it. Bring to our next class to check your work. Our hamster ran away. Remember to ask whose after the subject noun to help you find your possessive pronoun adjective, which you label with PPA. All right, we'll check these tomorrow.